Okay, so in this video, this is a continuation from the previous video, and it is about generating sheets based on a list of value in a column, and it can be implemented with Google Sheet response sheet that is coming from Google Form, and it is actually that application. Let me go through this one. I have a Google Sheet response sheet here that these data are coming from Google Form, and here is my list of numbers, and these numbers expected to be within this Google Forms. And if I want to fetch a specific data that is matching with this number, mobile number, for example, from within a company, 4% filled up data. A form has been filled by 4% from same company, and I want to get a log of who filled up what. So in that case, what I will do, create sheets by numbers, and this will generate a few sheets. So you see 1 2 3 sheets are being created here. Okay, so it's already created, and now next thing is the logs. So all data is the kind of dashboard that every data within these 3 sheets are here. So it's in one sheet, I get everything here. And if I want number wise, like this number, what they have filled up, this number and this number, I also can get that one. But this is pretty simple. I get all the data from all 3 numbers that I have listed here. So what is done here is app script. It's a combination of multiple function. So first of all, it's an open function that's creating the custom menu, and then okay, this is global variable I have created in case if you want to know, and then some private function, and this function is creating the sheets. So it's getting the mobile number from this column, how many I have listed, and then getting the unique number. So if I have same number twice, so it will consider as 1. So I have used that set instruction to make it happen. And then current sheet means I am actually getting all the current sheets within that spreadsheet. Now a variable was created before try instruction, and within this try, what I'm doing, I'm going through all this unique number and generating the sheet with that name. And finally I am actually setting a formula in that cell, A2 cell. I'm setting a formula, this one, and that's all it is doing. Actually, it's creating a sheet and setting the formula. And to create a formula, I have created few variables so that I can make it more language, simple language. You can just do as you wish. Maybe simpler to just copy paste that formula, reverse engineer it, and then you can do that, but I did that way. And finally I set the header. This header is the same from the original, this one, and I'm getting the content only, because this get form data is not the form data originally here. It's in another sheet, and I'm using this import range formula to get data from the response I get from the form, Google Form, that sheet. So that is different sheet, and let me show you what is this. Is this one, response sheet. So this one is the original sheet, and I get this URL and I paste here. Okay, so this is that's why I use that content only. to copy that header. Next, what I did, generate formula. This is for log, this one. Here also I use the formula, query formula, to get data from this sheet. This is like all the data, and from there I'm only matching the phone number. So here you see generate formula. Okay, so select all where column 1 is not null, but the formula is here. You see the number of sheets I'm going through. Sheets, number of sheets, length 0 to plus, sheets, get name, I is that. Okay, so first of all I'm going through creating the link within that formula, except this 3 sheets. So I have that formula here. If you see sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, but this is except this one. So this, other than 1, 2, 3, I am using this 3 sheet to link and query the data. Okay, so you know. Okay, so that's how it is set the formula. Finally set the formula. So this is it, and we're getting all the data here, and that's it. I have few other functions like del tabs, del sheets. So delete sheet is just getting the mobile number in that list. Here number of mobile number, again this is created sheet, unique number, and I'm going through that number and deleting one after another. So here, so this is the complete code. And on edit is another function. If I, for example, change mobile number, okay, so let's say I want this number 2312, I just copy from there and paste it here. I want to run that function automatically. So you see that function is being executed automatically, and my log also now different. So I have different set of data right now, 1 2 3 4. So now I have 4 set of, you know, 4 tabs. But here the thing, if I want to change you know, data automatically on edit, and I want to delete the existing first and then maybe the generate, that will be the more appropriate. So for that, let me just delete sheets, and on edit I want to first delete function, call the delete function, and then create sheets and then generate formula. This will be more appropriate, I guess. Another thing I guess we can do is time delay between two function. Okay, so tabs, maybe we can give some delete and then utility dot delay what's the function? Utility sleep. Okay, sleep. Okay, so utility sleep maybe 500 millisecond, and then maybe after that 500 more millisecond, and that way maybe 2-second delay. And but this will be not crash or hang my browser. Let me do that. Try this. Let's try this number. Okay, Sujay Kumar, copy this, go to here and list this number here. Okay, so I expect the function is running. Yes, it's running. Okay, so it's done now. So now log has more numbers, and it includes this number as well, and this is here. Okay, and how many now? 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. If we go to command, 1 2 3 4, it's 4 number only, so something is not right. 1 2 3 4 5 here. Let me delete this. Okay, so here is one thing that it is not deleted. Let me delete this number. So it's on edit. It should now generate 3 numbers and 3 sheets for that. 3 numbers, 3 sheets. But if I, let's say, add this person here and enter, it should delete all, generate 4 sheets, and boom, it's working. So now I have 1 2 3 4 sheets. Maybe my guess is I did some miss thing, that's why maybe, but it's now working. Hope this is useful for you.